That's how we fall out. Blow it up, blow it up. That's how we fall out. That's how we fall out. That's how we fall out. And I still got my money.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this fall makeup look right here. I did like a brown smoky eye and has like warm tones and browns. So if you want to know how I got this, then please keep watching. Okay, so after you have all your powder on and your face is baking, I'm going to be moving on to eyes. And for eyes today, I wanted to do like a brown smoky eye for fall. So I'm going to be doing like warm colors and just browns. And it's going to be like blown out because I wanted it to be really smoky. So first I'm going to be starting off with my lid color. So just putting like a brown all over, and then I'm going to be blending up from that. So I'm going to first be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow. It's like this chocolate brown shadow. I don't remember the name, but I'm pretty sure it was like chocolate or something like that. If I find it, I'll put it down below. And I'm going to be taking a Morphe 433 brush, and I'm going to be patting just a little bit of that because a little with the shadow goes a long way. And I'm just going to be placing that on my lid.
Blow it up, blow it up. That's how we fall out. 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 Blow it up, blow it up. That's how we fall out.
And then after that, I'm going to be taking this red ochre shade from the Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm just going to be taking a tiny bit on my brush because I don't want this to be like really like like I still want to create like a nice like blend. So I'm going to be taking some of that and basically just small circular motions. Okay, so after you have that, I'm just going to be going over the top of that with this like neutral peachy shade from Anastasia. I think it's called like something peach, but again, I'll put that one down below too. And I'm just going to be taking a little of that. And just going over the top of my shadow. Just to make sure everything blends nicely.
That's how we fall out. That's how we fall out. Blow it up, blow it up.
Okay, so after you have that done, I'm going to be taking this Carli Cosmetics, just like a little like bullet brush. And I'm going to be taking that brown shade we used and putting that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to try and keep this shade like really close to the bottom. So then I can go back and add the burgundy shade under it. And then after that, I'm going to take that red ochre shade and go under that and just smoke it out. Okay, so then after you have that done, I am going to be cleaning that up with some concealer. So I'm going to be taking some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on the back of my hand. And then just taking a Morphe 421 brush. And we're just going to be cleaning up the end of that. Okay, so I'm going to go apply false lashes and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you have your mascara and lashes on, I'm going to be taking away all my translucent powder. Okay, Okay, so after that, I'm going to be taking my NARS Laguna bronzer. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to be using this Mercier Glow Powder. It's their new powder that they have, and I'm honestly like obsessed with it. It's not a highlighter, it's like a powder, but it kind of acts as a highlighter, but it's supposed to give a more natural glow. Like, it just makes you look really healthy and awake and just glowy instead of like a dramatic highlight. So I just take a lot on my brush. I use the same highlighting brush, and I just kind of put it like all over. And I'll take it up into my temples. And then I like to put it on my forehead as well. Just so like when you turn, it can like, see, it's just like a really healthy glow. And then I'll do the other side. And then after that, I like to go over it with a blush. And I'm using the Seraphine Botanicals blush. I got it in an Ipsy bag. It's not really a blush I'm familiar with, but I really like the formula of it. And also the color, it's just like this really pretty pinky color. Okay, so then after blush, I'm going to go back in with even more highlighter, and this time like an actual highlighter. And I'm going to be taking the Becca and Chrissy Teigen. It's like a highlight blush bronzer duo. And I'm going to be taking the highlight and just going. Can't take the in between. Asking me for space here in my house. You know how with me. Okay, so then I'm going to be taking the same highlight shade I always do my inner corner with. So different. Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold enough to... Okay, so then after you have that done, I'm going to be lining my lips with the Lord & Berry lip liner. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to be taking my Hourglass lipstick in the shade Nude 1. And then after that, I'm going to be going over it with the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Dolly. I'm going to be spraying my face with setting spray by Urban Decay. Okay, so this is it for today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos next week.
Never thought that you was like this. I took the tag off and made you priceless. I just spent $500,000 on a chandelier. Now you try and cut me off like a light switch. Try and stay in our league.